Bu YouTube'a mi çekiyorsun
YouTube,
abi?
YouTube.
Yes.
Yes.
Anam YouTube'a çekiyor.
YouTube.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Nasworldwide. I'm going to show you the beautiful country of Turkey. Here we go. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you stop at my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. So I just got to Turkey. Right now I'm at this beach called the Deniz Beach. It's a beautiful, beautiful beach over in Turkey. Highly recommend coming out. This morning I actually went paragliding. Best experience of my life. But anyways, today I'm going to be walking around the whole city. Beach area, hit up the Blue Lagoon. Yeah, also I'm gonna probably get something to eat too, so.
Known officially as the Republic of Turkey, Turkey is located in southwestern Asia with around 82 million people. By land area, it is the 37th largest country in the world. Most of the people in Turkey are Muslim, and the country's official language is Turkish. Today, Turkey is a popular tourist destination given its location, natural beauty, and historical archaeological sites.
Nasworldwide. So right now I'm walking on the Asia side of Turkey. But did you guys know Turkey is split by two continents, which are Asia and Europe? I find that pretty fascinating. So far I kind of like the European side. To me, I feel like a little more cleaner, better restaurants, but overall you'll probably maybe say the same. Hey. So we're gonna be walking to one of the famous restaurants in Istanbul. Let's go check it out. Alright, so we're about to have a traditional Turkish breakfast. There you go. That's what I call breakfast. MashaAllah. Mabruk. The food keeps on coming. If you guys ever come out to Istanbul, Turkey, this is what I recommend. It's a traditional Turkish breakfast. I wonder if I could eat all this. I'm sure I could. It's easy. Food just keeps on coming. It will never stop. That's the Middle Eastern culture.
Thank you so much.
They feed you real good.
Would you like anything else?
That's it. Thank you so much. Literally the biggest breakfast I'm ever gonna eat. Unbelievable. So as you guys can see, this is the traditional Turkish breakfast. Right here is some beef sausages, eggs, oil, quinoa, raspberry, olives, don't know what that is, some type of sauce, cheese, eggs, fig with some walnuts. See on the side, some kind of corn mixed with something else, tomato paste, dessert, watermelons, fries, tomatoes, and cucumbers, bread, chili. Yep, that's it, butter rub. Gotta try out the Adana kebab. Turkish food. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. Juicy, juicy, juicy. Tastes like sugar. Let's try out the rice. Yeah, it's seasoned pretty good. This stuff is bomb. You mix it in with the bread and you get this amazing taste. This mosque is beautiful. So the Arabic writing over there says Ali. The one over there says Muhammad. That one can't really read it, but that one is Allah, which is God. What's up YouTube? So right now I'm walking towards the Galata Tower. So far I'm really liking Turkey. People are pretty friendly. Food's very, very cheap, by the way. I can really afford to live out here though. Kind of do see myself retiring out in Turkey one of these days, but you know, we'll see. Here it is guys, the Galata Tower. Just got my Galata ticket. Every single time you need to use a public restroom in Turkey, you gotta pay to go in. Check this out. We're recording with 2 phones. Alright, now I'm good to go. You see? This is it. So guys, I just got to Pamukkale in Turkey. Check it out. If you guys don't know what Pamukkale is, it's like these hot springs up in the mountains somewhere. But yeah, I'm about to fly my drone a little bit to show you guys how it really looks. So here it begins. So I guess we gotta remove our shoes before walking in. Looks like snow, but it's not. It's actually it's like hard white rock. And this is the view so far. What's up YouTube? Welcome to Pamukkale. So it's about 9 in the morning, about 75 degrees. It took me about 20 minutes to get up here, not too bad. Only thing I didn't like about it is that we had to walk barefoot. I guess they didn't let us wear any shoes coming up. So this white mountain is one of Turkey's most photogenic spots and one of the country's most famous landmarks. Usually for many visitors, this is a must-do on their Turkey travels. She's an angel. Angel in Turkey. What's up, guys? So far so good. I'm having a good time. The water is really warm, beautiful weather, amazing people. Yeah, so far I've been out here for about 2.5 hours and I can't get over this view. It's unbelievable. Nice and blue. Three, two, one. Woo. The water. Hey guys, we made it. I am about to go parasailing right on top of Turkey. I'm nervous as hell though because I suffer from panic attacks. So I'm with my pilot. So right now I'm about to check out the biggest cave room in Cappadocia. Cappadocia. I don't think it's expensive for an American. Whoa, this is unreal. Oh my god.
This is original one, like it's natural, you know, like you can feel and you can, it's just one part. There's no
Wow.
any stone or nothing.
This is beautiful. Ooh, look at that bathtub. Man, oh.
This neat.
I like it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, like this cave, almost 1,000 years old, so.
Wow, 1,000-year-old cave. That's what's up. King size bed.
Yeah. There's also 2 beds.
Cool. Here's the owner, his name is Ahmed.
Yeah.
Over at the Rose Cave Hotel. Guys, come check this out. For sure. Thank you, Ahmed.
You're welcome.
Oh, here it is. The Turkish poultry.
2 pottery.
Yes, sir. I'm the lamp. This is it. So this is the Turkish poultry. This is what they use to cook meat and other spices inside of poultry. And then once the fire is done, we're gonna bash it up and open it up, start eating. Lamb. Wow. That's the juiciest lamb I've ever eaten in my entire life. Amazing. Look at the kitties.
Right now I'm at the Sultan Cave Hotel and the balloons are rising.
Swan Cave Hotel. Watching the beautiful, beautiful Cappadocia balloon sunrise. It's amazing. Oh, check out this hot air balloon literally on top of the Cave Hotel. How many hot air balloons?
After exploring Turkey from the past several weeks, this beautiful country has so much to offer, from the nicest people I have met, exotic tasting foods, natural beauty, and religious sites. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, share this video, and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next travel video.